product review of the Sugandha Niacinamide Serum. Now, niacinamide serum is an active form of vitamin B3. And before we can get on with this video, I would just like to say that chemical exfoliation and chemical-based skincare is such a big, huge trend in the skincare world right now. If you haven't already heard about it or read about it, but even I thought it's like a passing trend, with every year there's a new trend, do this, do that. But there was a lot of things that I actually researched on my own before trying certain products out. So this was the first product that I got my hands on, which is the Sugandha Niacinamide Serum. So why I got this was, it was recommended by Dr. Vinita Ratan. She's also a YouTuber and a product formulator, cosmetic formulator for Skin of Color. So I really trust her recommendations, and also Shweta Vijay Nair, who is great with her recommendations. She actually tries out different products and she has very good knowledge about the ingredients that go behind the making of the product. So that is why I trust her recommendations, and that is why I got this. It is also made in India, which is good because you're supporting your own made in India brands. And the best part is, it mentions all the ingredients in the site and the percentage of the ingredients. So the main ingredient in this is the niacinamide serum, and it mentions that it is a 10% concentration. Now, most of the studies done about niacinamide are done for 2% to 5% niacinamide formulations, but this is a 10% one, and most of the formulations that are out there in the market are 10% niacinamide serum. So this might be a little sensitive, a little too, not harsh I would say, but strong for sensitive skins. I personally also have sensitive skin and I did not face any such problem, but I would like to put it out there, I did have purging. Purging is basically when your skin reacts to a certain product for a few weeks before it can actually adjust itself to the new product. So that is why I faced with this, and I did have a few breakouts here and there, but nothing major. But I'm just like letting you know, in case you have like overly sensitive skin, you might want to look for a lower percentage of concentration of niacinamide. I think the Minimalist has a 5% formulation in the niacinamide serum, so you can check that out. I will link it in the description box. Now, coming to this product retails for $6.99 for 20 ml, which I think is a pretty good deal compared to niacinamide serum. I mean, like, ordinary is also cheap, but then if you get it here in India, it's gonna be expensive. I mean, like, if you go to the UK and buy ordinary, then well and good, but this is as good. I mean, like, 10% niacinamide serum for 20 ml. That's the only thing I was, because a standard packaging is of 30 ml, but this is a 20 ml product. I thought it's too less, but it's been 2 months, yeah, exactly 2 months of me using it, and I'm still just, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm literally a little more than halfway through. I mean, like, there's still more than half left here. So I think for 2 months I've been using it and still half of it is left. I'm pretty sure I will use it for another month and a half, because in the first week I used it only twice a week, and second and third week mein I used it alternative days mein, and fourth week onwards I use it every day in my morning skincare routine. So this is how I use it. Now, coming to the ingredients, it has niacinamide तो obviously है ही इसमें 10%. It has panthenol, hyaluronic acid, centella and green tea. So green tea is a very good ingredient for people who have acne prone skin or breakouts frequently or pimples, because it is antibacterial, so it kills all the bacteria which can result in acne. And it also has Centella asiatica, which is a very good ingredient. It's a plant-based extract which is very good for healing of your skin and tightening your skin. So that's really good. And hyaluronic acid, we all know, is a very good humectant. So basically what hyaluronic acid does is it pulls in water molecules from the surface or from the atmosphere. So whenever you apply anything that has hyaluronic acid, make sure you apply it on damp skin, because you don't want it to extract molecules, water molecules from your skin, making it more dry. Otherwise, if you're living in a cold area or like a dry place, make sure you have like a humidifier in your room. Or if even if you don't want that, make sure that you apply your skincare on damp skin and not completely dry skin, because damp skin is more porous, so it tends to absorb more. And yeah, that is how hyaluronic acid will help you. Niacinamide is said to be suitable for oily skin types because it can be a little drying, but I have combination skin and it is mostly inclined towards dryness. So I did use it. I was skeptical about this at first, but trust me, it did not make my skin dry at all. In fact, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है मेरी skin ज़्यादा supple हो गई. I don't know if it's the hyaluronic acid in here that is helping it to be, soft and hydrated, but it definitely did not dry out my skin. So I would recommend this to all skin types. Now make sure whenever you're using this, apply a sunscreen every day religiously. No matter if you're going out, you're not going out, if it's cloudy or not cloudy, wear a sunscreen. And at least I think 40 SPF तो पहनना चाहिए, स्पेशली विंटर्स में, बिकॉज स्पेशली तो नहीं, थ्रू आउट द ईयर तो पहनना ही चाहिए, बट विंटर्स में लोगों को लगता है कि I mean like it's not hot, but the sun is still harsh. The sun UV rays, UVB rays are still harsh to your skin. Make sure you wear sunscreen, because पता है क्या, अगर आप 10 स्टेप स्किन केयर, 20 स्टेप स्किन केयर, कितना भी स्किन केयर कर लो ना, और अपना सनस्क्रीन रिलीजियसली यूज़ ना करो, इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. एंड अगर आप कुछ भी फैंसी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ मत करो, बट सनस्क्रीन अच्छा यूज़ करो, आई थिंक दैट विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू. इफ़ नॉट मतलब एंटी एजिंग एंड ऑल में नहीं, बट मतलब एंटी एजिंग क्या, बट प्रिवेंट तो ज़रूर करता है. सनस्क्रीन इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर वेयरिंग यूजिंग केमिकल बेस्ड स्किन केयर और एक्सफोलिएट किया आपने पिछले दिन, योर स्किन इज़ सेंसिटिव. Your skin might react because of the actives you have on your skin that may react to the sun rays. Wear your sunscreen. It is very 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 important. I mean like I cannot even stress enough. I'm not kidding. मैंने खुद 2016 15 में शुरू किया सनस्क्रीन लगाना, एंड आई विश मैंने पहले कर लिया होता, बट दैट्स लाइक स्टूपिड एक्सक्यूजेज होते हैं. ओ माई गॉड यार, वाइट कास्ट हो जाता है, स्किन ऑयली हो जाती है, इट्स वेरी चिप चिप, अच्छा नहीं लगता, इट डजंट फील गुड. बट just use it. I mean like I have nothing else to say. Use your SPF. Now my experience was, I will put up the pictures here. My skin on the first day, I have had a lot of breakouts in the last 2 years, I would say, because I was diagnosed with the PCOS, so I did have, my skin was going through so much. I have a lot of like acne marks here. Right now I'm wearing makeup, so you wouldn't know, but I will put up a picture here and you can see I have a lot of acne marks here and here, specifically here, because यहाँ बहुत breakouts होते हैं. And I don't know if I've picked them or not, but I definitely have dark spots there. So that is why I got this serum, because niacinamide is supposed to be really good for dark spots and pigmentation and improves your texture. Now after, I kid you not, I checked my skin on 18th of November and my pigmentation had lightened. Like I मतलब मेरे को यूजुअली ना स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स का बस वो फील गुड फैक्टर ही पता चलता है, अदरवाइज रिजल्ट्स देखना इज़ वेरी I don't keep up, like I don't follow too much, like follow up with my skin, how is it feeling, reacting, result aa raha hai nahi aa raha hai. But with this I actually did, I took pictures, I will post before and after, and you can see here मेरी skin में actually difference आया. The red spots that I have lightened. So I hope by like 3-4 months थोड़ा और light हो जाएगा. I still have like I think at least 1 month का product left here. So hopefully तब तक और अच्छा हो जाएगा. But as of now you can see the before and after, and it has made a drastic difference. And drastic मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because इतना difference actually इतने कम टाइम में देखने के लिए नहीं मिलता. Especially अगर आप किसी कोई प्रोसीजर के थ्रू नहीं जा रहे हो, लाइक गोइंग टू अ डर्मैट एंड गोइंग थ्रू लेजर और वट एवर, उसके बिना सीइंग रिजल्ट्स इज, आई थिंक दिस इज अमेजिंग. एंड forget all of that. I mean like forget pigmentation. I have dealt with texture for the last few months, and एंड टेक्सचर पे ना मेकअप अच्छा नहीं लगता, इसलिए आई हैवंट बीन इवन वेयरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप. और जब मैं करती भी थी ना मेरे को थोड़ा इरिटेटिंग लगता था बिकॉज वो टेक्सचर दिखता था. बट नाइसिनामाइड से मेरी स्किन का टेक्सचर इतना बेटर हो चुका है. बेटर एज एन आई वुड से कि मतलब अगर 100% में से वो 80% बेटर तो हो चुका है. आई मीन लाइक बहुत कम टेक्सचर यहाँ बाकी. एंड माई आज मैंने थोड़ा सा मेकअप किया है लाइक कंसीलर एंड स्टफ, बट इट्स एट सो वेल ऑन माई स्किन. देयर इज़ ऑलमोस्ट नो टेक्सचर. एकदम परफेक्ट तो मैंने नहीं बोलूँगी बिकॉज वेरी नॉर्मल टू हैव टेक्सचर, बट उस टाइम तो मेरा कुछ ज़्यादा ही टेक्सचर था. बट अब वो इतना इम्प्रूव हो चुका है एंड इट इज़ ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. एंड आई हैव रिकमेंडेड दिस प्रोडक्ट टू so many of my friends and family, and I'm gonna get this for my mom also, I think. But it is so good. I would highly recommend this product is a big thumbs up. Cons as such मेरे को कुछ cons तो मेरे को एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली मुझे कौन इसका कोई लगता नहीं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट कि ये सिर्फ 20 ml है. आई विश ये 30 ml होता, बट ठीक है. आई मीन लाइक इफ इट इज़ इतने महीने चल रहा है तो 20 ml भी बहुत है. एंड that is about it, man. I would totally recommend this product, especially if you have skin texture and you're dealing with pigmentation. यहाँ पे होता है कई लोगों के around the mouth या around the nose. यहाँ पे acne spots होते हैं maximum लोगों के. So if you have any of that and you really want to get a skincare product that is actually effective and also affordable, it is this product. I kid you not, I have used vitamin C also. ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ईयर में मैंने फेब में शुरू किया. आई थिंक आई वॉज यूजिंग द सिप्ला का विटामिन सी सिरम. इट इज़ गुड नो डाउट, बट विटामिन सी सिरम ना इतना स्टेबल नहीं होता. लाइक नाइसिनामाइड सिरम इज़ द मोस्ट स्किन फ्रेंडली इंग्रेडिएंट अमंगस्ट ऑल द एक्टिव्स एंड एसिड्स. ठीक है, सो इफ़ यू लाइक अ बिगनर, नाइसिनामाइड सिरम इज़ द थिंग. विटामिन सी के साथ ना यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज इट इज़ एसिडिक इन नेचर. तो आपको मतलब यू हैव इट विल नॉट मतलब होता है ना स्किन केयर इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करता है. सो योर स्किन में रिएक्ट टू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक रेटिनॉल्स एंड विटामिन सी इज़ अ बिग नो. कई लोगों को नाइसिनामाइड एंड विटामिन सी में भी रिएक्शन मिल जाता है स्किन से. सो यू वॉन्ट टू अवॉइड दैट. तो विटामिन सी इज़ अ लिटिल अनस्टेबल ऑल्सो. तो I would say if you're a beginner or even if you're not, get this. This is a really good product, and I will put the link down in the description if you want to go buy it. You can go check it out. I have no affiliate links, nothing with this site, Sugandha. But if you do want a coupon code, you can check out Shweta Vijay Nair's YouTube channel, and in every of her videos उसके नीचे description box में उसने सारे अपने coupon codes दिए रखे हैं. So you can go use her. I think उसके पास I think उनके पास 10% का coupon code है, so you might get a discount on this. And they have, in fact, Sugandha has a very good lineup of products. I haven't tried out any other product. I can speak for this. This is really good. So go buy it. It's a big thumbs up from my side. And that is it for this video. I hope this review was helpful to you. And आई थिंक आई विल कम अप विथ मोर सच रिव्यूज़, क्योंकि ऐसे एक दो प्रोडक्ट्स और हैं जो मैं ट्राई आउट कर रही हूँ. एंड आई थिंक मुझे अभी तक उनके साथ ठीक रिजल्ट ही मिला है. आई मीन लाइक इट्स जस्ट बिन लाइक अ कपल ऑफ वीक्स, तो आई वुडंट से मच अबाउट इट. बट मे बी जैन एंड फेब तक आई वुड कम आउट विथ अनदर रिव्यू ऑफ मैं वो बी मिनिमलिस्ट के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ. सो यू कैन स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. एंड दैट इज़ इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वन. Bye.
For more updates, you can check out my Instagram. Follow me at GlazeDonut95 for makeup and beauty content. And if you want to know more about me, you can also follow me on my personal account at Just a Girl from Delhi.